eventually.
Good, round 2. Okay, part 2, we changed the decoration a little bit. We closed the blinds, so there's less brightness. And we've moved the flowers up one floor here so you can see them more because they were down at the black edge and you couldn't see them. So question number 11 now.
What was the worst moment of your travels?
Probably when Mitch flew the drone in Mexico between 2 giant bushes and the winds took it. The gods of Mexico took our drone.
They needed a sacrifice.
And they took the drone.
They took the drone. So that was pretty upsetting.
Yeah.
Maybe another one was worst travel thing would be missing the flight in Peru. They changed the time while we were hiking in Machu Picchu.
Yeah.
And then we got back to the main city. They're like, oh yeah, your flight left 6 hours ago. Didn't you check your emails while you were hiking in Machu Picchu?
With no Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi, no internet. So that was a sucky one as well.
And they didn't want to help us even to change our flights, get another flight. What airline was it?
Air Latam Airlines.
No, it wasn't Latam.
LATAM.
No, it was Latam. No, it was the worst.
It wasn't?
No, it
Alright,
wasn't.
I'll take that
Latam.
back. It wasn't Latam.
It wasn't Latam. It was a red logo. Let's go. We can find it.
Okay, we'll find it. It's down here.
It's bad. Do not fly this airline because at least if you fly Latam, it's a bit more expensive and it's a bigger company, so you can try to at least argue them to put you on another flight. This airline didn't want to give any F, even though it was their problem why they changed our flight.
Question number 12. Where would you like to go again and why?
I would love to go. There's too many places.
Choose one.
Oh my god.
Hurry up. Hurry.
The Philippines. So many islands. I want to go get.
Ah, that was mine. All
I
right.
want to see the other Maldives style places in the Philippines because they have like so many islands. So yeah.
All right, and for me, the place that I always talk to about people is San Sebastian in northern Spain. 6 hours from Madrid. It's got like every day is like it's cobblestone roads, tapas, beers, beautiful beach, hikes, more or less everything that I love.
Cool. Question number 13.
Do we have plans for upcoming travel?
We are now in New Caledonia. We're then going to Australia. We're gonna drive around Australia. Mitch is probably gonna go to Asia again. Then hopefully in January we go back to the Philippines. Hopefully.
Hopefully. Should be.
Should we?
We should.
Oh yeah, we should.
Let's go.
Oh yeah.
Done.
Question number 14.
Why do we travel?
Why do we travel?
I think we travel because us two in particular, we just love seeing new things.
Yeah.
Travel is learning. And that's our way we educate ourselves. So it doesn't have to be classroom to be learning. We're learning by learning new languages, experiencing cultures, seeing things that you've only read about in books. For me, that's why we travel. What do you think?
It's true. Like travel is like a life never-ending university that you cannot have unless you do it. So I think we have an advantage like traveling a lot, and yeah, that's why we travel. We love it. We love keeping learning about
currently
life.
we've got a doctorate in the diploma of life.
Question 15.
Do you or have you ever traveled for work?
Pretty much all the time, and even before doing what we do right now, which is like photography and everything around travel. I used to work in advertising in a global agency from New York, and I was really lucky that I was able to go see all the offices around Asia, and a bit the same when I was in the Middle East as well, in Dubai. I was lucky enough to be able to arrange trips to other offices in Africa, etc. And Mitch, as a teacher, also has professional development thingies.
Tournaments, professional development.
So
15 weeks holiday a year.
So that made you travel pretty much for work
Always going to travel. Question number 16.
16.
Sweet 16. What type of climates do you prefer? Rainy, cool, rainforest, desert, beach?
I like beach with giant sand dunes. Then it mixes with desert, right?
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Like in Mozambique. Mozambique was beautiful. It was like lots of beaches and sand dunes like right beside it.
Well, I can take you to a place. I know a country.
Where?
Fraser Island in Australia.
Maybe we'll go.
Has literally the desert sand dunes go into the water.
Yeah.
It's really cool. You'd like it.
Beach.
For me, somewhere like Australia, Sunshine Coast, Gold Coast, where you've got beach and then rainforest within like 5 kilometres of each other. Mm-hmm. So you got the hikes. So
you like beach? Like that's your favorite climate?
It'd have to be the beach.
I mean, I left Canada because I don't like snow anymore.
Yes, so I can tell you which one we don't like, because the snow.
I like snow. I just don't like the cold.
Question number 17. What do you check out when you go to a new country? What is the first thing you check out? The first thing I do is I check out a SIM card.
Really? Like that? Like first check out what I need? Okay, yeah. Okay.
You go to the SIM card, so make sure you see if it's viable or not. But if we have spare time, I try and find a really high viewpoint. And that gives me a bit of a chance to see everything and then I want to go there, that's a cool shot. There's some beaches over there.
I think me would be maybe food.
Ooh. So I think how about we get the car, we get some food and we drive to the viewpoint.
Oh yeah. That's how we do it. Question number 18.
Have you traveled around your home country and what do you like about it?
For me, from Canada, I haven't traveled too much around my country. I've done only Nova Scotia, Ontario, and my own province, which is Quebec. This summer with friends, I was really lucky that we were able to drive to Gaspésie and see a few of the national parks. It's beautiful. It's really a must. Not a lot of people that travel to Canada go there because they go to the west of the country. But yeah, that's what I've seen only. I cannot wait to go to the Western Canada, like British Columbia, Alberta, Edmonton. All the lakes are wonderful. What about you?
Well, Australia. We just spent 2.5 weeks in Australia.
Yes.
But Australia's massive, just like Canada is.
Yeah.
So we only stayed in Queensland and we saw the Gold Coast, Sunshine Coast and Brisbane City, which is sort of my home growing up area.
It was really nice to visit this country.
Why I like that area is because you have beaches, you have hinterland, you have rainforest walks. It's just got absolutely everything. It's all nature. And there's animals everywhere and fresh air. Yeah, that's why I love it.
And Australia is so big, but did you know that Canada is bigger? Second biggest country in the world.
Question number 19. What is your favorite thing about travel?
My favorite thing about... Why does it seem like all the questions sound the same?
I think we just answer 6 questions when we answer one.
Okay. My favorite thing about travel is meeting a new culture.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, because it says food, it says everything.
Yeah, it covers everything.
Yep. What about you?
Yeah, I think the chance to experience something new. It's an unknown. It's a learning experience. Going into a new country, you have expectations, you have things that you've read and seen, but you actually don't know until you go there. I think a really good example of that was when we went to Madagascar. We did not know what to expect and were sort of blown away by the first day and everything changed in the second and third day. So
yeah, it was really fun to travel with Alyssa and Andrea as well and with the Wow Madagascar team. That was really a good way to see the country with our schedule. Question number 20.
And this is the last question of our video. So if you've made it this far, please make sure you write a comment below, like the video, write a comment below. Let us know some of the answers to the questions that we've given. See if you have anything different or something we can learn because traveling is about learning.
Yeah, so we're going to leave you as well in the description all the 20 questions that we answered. So if you want to do the same video or the same test yourself in the comments, would love to know your answers to those questions.
Question number 20. What are your top travel tips for people?
My number 1 tip would be to be open-minded, because if you're open-minded, you can enjoy better the new culture you meet and the difference of your own country. Because most of the people that hate the country when they travel there is because they are not in the comfort zone. They don't like the food, they don't like how people are, and to be honest, that's because they're a bit close-minded. Because how can you you don't need to like, right? You need to just be open-minded and try to find something you like in a country. I really find usually when people are really I hate this country, it's really unfair.
Yeah, it's a limited experience.
That's my opinion.
Yeah, okay, that's a good answer. My top travel tip would be first of all, don't come into a country with the highest expectations in the world. Take things as it comes. My second tip would be meet locals. They'll give you a better idea of what the place is really like, not just the tourist place thing. My third thing would be say yes to things. Don't say no to opportunities, because in travel, they usually lead to something fantastic down the line. And we've found that the more we say yes, the more great opportunities open up down the line, either by making a lifelong friendship or something comes up that you would never have seen before. So those are my 3 tips.
Not everything is a scam in life. There are good people out there. There are beautiful countries to be discovered, and yeah, you just gotta be open-minded and keep traveling.
I think that's it.
So that was our 20 questions about travel video. Hope you know a bit better about us, about how we travel and what we like and why we travel. And don't forget to watch the next video. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Put a thumbs up to our video if you liked it, and let us know what you want to see else on our channel. See you later.
Thanks for watching.
Woo!
Thanks for watching, guys.